Students, it is Priyanka here. We are going to start the first chapter of science, that is food. Okay, as we all know, food is our basic need. In earlier classes, also, when we were in class 3, we have discussed about features of living things, and in that features, we have discussed that all living things need energy to work. Okay, so they need food. So it is our basic need. Food is our basic need because it gives us energy to work, it keeps us strong, it build our body, and it keep us away from the diseases. So that is why food is our basic need. It is very important for our life, and without food not any single living thing can live their life. Okay, so food is very important for us. Why food is important for us? That we have discussed that it gives us energy to work, it keeps us strong, and it keeps us away from the diseases. How they are doing these works, that we will discuss in this chapter. Some materials are there in food, some materials are present in our food which give us a good health and which help us to grow, and those materials are known as nutrients. Nutrients are the materials present in our food for good health and growth. Okay, so there are many types of nutrients. Basically, 5 main types of nutrients are there. Um, it depends. It is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Every nutrient has different work. Carbohydrate and fats gives us energy, so it is known as energy giving food. Protein builds our body, that is why it is known as body building food. And vitamins and minerals protect us from the diseases, that is why it is known as protective food. So on the basis of these things, we can see that there are 3 types of components of food. First one is energy giving food, second one is body building food, and third one is protective food. Carbohydrate and fats are energy giving food. Okay, protein is body building food, and vitamins and minerals are protective food. It protects us from various diseases. Okay, now we will discuss various components of the food one by one. First one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the um, faster source of energy. Whenever we need instant energy, we need to have that time carbohydrate. Carbohydrate give us instant energy faster. It is a faster source of energy. And what are the sources of carbohydrates? Wheat, rice, maize, these and all things give us instant energy, and it is very essential to take carbohydrates in our daily meal. Okay, fats is a slower source of energy. Okay, it remain reserve in our body. We don't use that part of energy in our daily life. Whenever we are hungry, whenever we are not able to have meal on time, that time this source of energy give us energy. Okay, and what are the sources of fats? Oil, nuts, butter, ghee, these things gives us are the good source of fats. But we should not take a larger amount of fat in our daily life, because it causes obesity in our body. So whatever the things we are taking, whatever the part of thing, our carbohydrates or fats we are taking in our daily meal, we should consume that things. In the other way, we can say that the that much of work we should do so that these energy can be used. Okay, so next is proteins. Proteins help us to grow. It is a bodybuilding food. It helps our body to build or to grow. So it is very important for growing children to have protein in their diet. Like you children, you are a growing child, so you should have protein, enough ample amount of protein in your diet. And what are the sources, which things you should take in your diet? And milk, daily you should take milk, you should have fish, egg, pulses. These things you should take in your diet so that you can grow faster and faster. Okay. And next is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, and these things protect us from diseases. It helps us to keep the diseases away from us. Okay. Many vitamins are there, is like vitamin A, B, C, D are the examples of vitamins. And from where we can get these vitamins? From fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are the good source of vitamins and minerals. Okay. If you want to keep the diseases away from you, you should take fruits and vegetables in your diet properly. Okay. Many minerals are there which we should have in our diet. Calcium, sodium, iodine, potassium and iron are the examples of minerals. Calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. Iron helps in the formation of blood. Okay. So these minerals are very helpful for us. And the last and the most important thing which we should have in our diet is water and roughies. Water and roughies. Water and roughies do not provide any nutrient to our body. They are essential for healthy digestive system. It helps us to digest the food properly. So we should have proper amount of water in our body. So for to be healthy, to stay healthy and work properly, we should have water. We should take water in our daily diet. Okay. And it helps us for good digestion of food. So we must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. What are roughies? Uh, roughies. Roughies is the fiber present in our food. It cannot be digested, but it helps to remove the undigested food from our body. Uh, as you know that all the things which we are eating are not that important for our body. The nutrients, body takes all the nutrients from that food, but some things are there in our food which are useless for our body. So for getting rid of that useless things or useless part of the food, we should remove that undigested part of the food, and roughies help us to remove that undigested part of the food from our body. So it is very important. So what are the sources of roughies? Whole grains, brown rice, salad, fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber. So we should take these things in our diet so that we can be free from the impurities from our body. Okay. In the next video we will discuss about balanced diet and care of food. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.